Hello teacher, how are you? In the occasion I will present you a video in which I develop the reproduction activity. Okay guys, now I will present you a video about present simple versus present continuous. Please pay attention and take note because at the end I will ask you to do something, okay? Okay guys, now you will work with the person next to you in order to discuss about how we can use present simple and present continuous. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to do it. Let's start. Continue guys. Okay guys, this is all for this activity.